So getting prepared for this trip, I've had to comb through my belongings. I'm sure we've all had to do that. It's an interesting process. We all have boxes full of things that no one really knows about. I'm not much for things, but I collect feathers and stones. I collect strange things. It's called 12 Years Back. That's when I packed those boxes. Combing through my belongings, I'm packing my bags, and I'm throwing away poems that no one's ever read, that no one's ever read. Boxes full of stones and feathers I'd collect, and half-burnt candles from nights 12 years back, 12 years back. Where have the times gone? Rose petals pressed in the pages of Rumi and Kerouac, next to a blue jay feather and a worn photograph. A pocket watch in a box with only one match, and a message in a bottle that I wrote to myself 12 years back. Where have the times gone? Sketchbooks and journals, love letters from the past. It's a burden to hold on, and you just can't forget. No, you can't forget. I'm talking about my life in boxes under the stairs, collecting dust from all of the years, from all of the years. Where have the times gone? These memories are treasures only you understand. What it's like to be you, living life as it is, life as it is today. Thank you. Thank you so much.